There was a time, thousands of years ago, when humanity believed that Earth was the center of everything, that the sun, the stars, the entire universe revolved around us. To question that belief was to challenge the divine. It wasn't just science, it was heresy. But then, we looked up, we asked questions, and slowly, we began to understand, we are not the center, but a small part of something far greater. Today, you're invited on a journey from the ground beneath your feet, past the moon, the planets, and the stars, all the way to the edge of the known universe. So sit back, open your mind, and let's discover where we really belong. In the cosmos, let's begin, just 400 kilometers above Earth. Here, the International Space Station orbits our planet at 28,000 kilometers per hour, circling Earth 16 times a day. It's the largest human-made object in space, a lifeline for astronauts, and a symbol of international cooperation. Next, we reach the moon, our closest celestial neighbor. From here, Earth appears like a glowing marble in the dark. It's believed that 4.5 billion years ago, the moon was born from a colossal impact with Earth. These footprints, left by Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin in 1969, still remain untouched by time, because the moon has no atmosphere. Nothing erases history. Now we arrive at Venus minus 61 million kilometers from Earth. Once, Venus may have looked like Earth, with oceans and clouds, but a runaway greenhouse effect transformed it into a scorching inferno. Today, it rains sulfuric acid, and surface temperatures exceed 470 degrees Celsius, a haunting reminder of what could happen to Earth if we don't take climate change seriously. Next up, Mercury closest to the Sun. Daytime here is a blistering 400 degrees Celsius, but when the sun sets, temperatures plunge to minus 170 degrees Celsius. Its surface is barren, cratered, and lifeless. And then, we arrive at the Sun itself, 150 million kilometers from Earth, a burning sphere of hydrogen, big enough to hold over 1 million Earths. Its solar flares stretch thousands of kilometers into space. Too hot for anything to survive. Even the fastest spacecraft can't get close. Let's move on to the red planet, Mars. Mars is dry and cold now, but evidence suggests it once had rivers, lakes, even oceans. That's why scientists believe Mars may once have hosted life, and may again, someday. Olympus Mons, a giant volcano on its surface, is the tallest mountain in the solar system, 3 times higher than Everest. Beyond Mars lies danger. The asteroid belt, millions of rocks orbit the sun here, some large enough to hold entire cities. Why didn't they form a planet? Because Jupiter, the solar system's giant, kept them apart with its powerful gravity. Jupiter is so massive, all other planets combined still don't equal its size. If it was slightly heavier, it might have become a star. Its famous Great Red Spot is a centuries-old storm, big enough to fit 3 Earths. And then, there's Saturn, the most beautiful planet in the solar system. Its rings stretch hundreds of thousands of kilometers. It has 62 moons, the largest of which, Titan, has rivers and lakes of liquid methane. Some scientists believe Titan might one day become habitable. From this distance, Earth is just a pale blue dot. Farther out lie Uranus and Neptune, icy giants, billions of kilometers away. Discovered only after the telescope, they remain mysterious and largely unexplored. Beyond them, the Kuiper Belt, filled with icy bodies like Pluto. And then comes interstellar space. Here we find something astonishing. Launched in it is now over 19 billion kilometers from Earth, the farthest any human-made object has ever traveled. At this distance, sunlight takes over a year to arrive. The sun appears no brighter than any other star. Surrounding our solar system is the Oort cloud, a vast shell of icy objects that marks the edge of the sun's gravitational reach. Beyond it is complete darkness. Here, we rely on infrared to see, and what we see are billions of stars. But this is just the beginning. Our next destination, Alpha Centauri. Light from the sun takes over for years to reach it. One of its planets, Proxima b, lies in the habitable zone, a place where alien life might exist. And yet, this is only a grain of sand in a cosmic desert. Our home galaxy, the Milky Way, contains over 100 billion stars. It would take light 100,000 years to cross it. Beyond that lie countless other galaxies. These galaxies form groups. Groups form, and those stretch across hundreds of millions of light. But even then, they are nothing more than a tiny dot in the vast universe. And finally, we arrive at the edge of the observable universe. This is the farthest we can see. Beyond it, we don't know. Some scientists believe there could be countless other universes, a multiverse beyond imagination. So, how small do you feel now, from Earth to the edge of time and space? Our journey has shown us just how vast and how mysterious the universe truly is. Let us know in the comments, what part of the journey amazed you most? Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's next. Until then, take care of yourself and your loved ones.